So here I am showing you a clean plate making of this to this. In this clean plate making, I have used several techniques like the making the clean plate in Nuke, making the clean plate in Nuke in Photoshop and project it in Nuke, and use of the Smart Vector node. And I have used the techniques in a mixed way, just like I have used the tracking information and the Rotopen node tracking information and the clean plate from Photoshop, and the Smart Vector node and the clean plate from Photoshop, or the Rotopen node informations. At first I am showing you the clean plate of the left chest. Clean plate of the left chest was like this, and I have Rotopen it. And at first it is very useful if you analyze the footage and know how where to take your reference from the footage and make the clean plate in that footage. So I have used the 30th frame of the footage because I think that will be a proper to take an information from it, and the clean footage was like this. And I have rotoed it just because I want the alpha information and I want to show this information from the skin. So I take that information, I take from the roto node. I have take the alpha that you can see, and from the Rotopen node I take the RGB information from it. If I go the 30th frame, you can see here, and I frame hold it and take the corner pin data from the tracking, and you can see that that was the tracking information. If I go here, then you can see this was my tracking, and I take the tracking data from here, corner pin, 2D relative and baked data I have named, because there is two kind of data, baked data and connected data. I forgot the name. So baked data means if you change any kind of information here, it will not connected with it, and another information which is not baked, which is connected from it, it will if you change any information here, then it will update in here. I merged it and also color graded in every, because it is not in one frame. I have to do it in several frames, and I have to match it with it. And so there will be the lighting condition will not the same in every positions. So you have to do the grading manually and keyframe it, obviously. If I do not use the grading, so it will not match properly. So you can see this, it will be more blackish type, not matching. So this is, and you have to grade in each channel, I should say. Just like here I have done the grading in here to match the color with his skin, so red, green and blue. And also in when you grade it, if you desaturate the colors, it will be more helpful for overall matching, means the matching with the luminance. So there are two part, one is luminance matching and one is color matching. By color matching you have to done it with red, green and blue, and luminance matching you can desaturate and match the luminance. There is a go. And now for the clean plate part, which is the right chest, I have gone. So I have take the same whole frame and make it. And also but here I have used the vector distort node and color graded, obviously, for matching the colors. If I not grade it, that you can see that I have to show what impact will this. Now you can see why I have to color grade it. Now you can see the difference. And this was the main reason you have to color grade. Next was the left hand part is here. We cannot so left hand part was like this, and I have made it this. So this kind of, and here I have used the corner pin baked data, corner pin data I have taken from here, which I make the tracking and take the tracking and match move it with it, and I have do a 10 stencil because I don't want that part. And in several time you can see I have used the blood. I have used in various sector because I want to blend it with the skin properly, so I have used the blur nodes. And also for skin matching I have also used the grading. So this is the overall thing is there. And the making of the chest, you can see uh, the main part. I can show, if I can show this. So this was before after. This was the making of this clean plate making, and this was the output was I am telling about. And this the thing. And for there was a hand, and in this hand I have used the Photoshop technique. I have done the clean plate in the Photoshop, make it and it is also a PNG information, pre-multi it or and merge with it, frame hold it, pre-mulled, and how much I need there. This is therefore next. Here I have rotopaint used again because I have wanted some adjustment, because I have using here for tracking information the vector distort, so it was distorting. So for adjustment I have used the rotopaint node again, pre-multi it, and frame hold in the 39th frame, which was my reference frame for making the clean plate, and edge blur for properly blend. And this was like after this, because it was vector distorting, what I am talking about. This is why I have done the roto thing again, and the roto, the stencil part which I needed and not needed, and also the blurring things also going on, and gradient and multiply for properly blend with the skin. And this was like this, then this, and this. So in this big part you should have to done it in several parts, and it will be so very helpful for doing this such a long making clean plate, instead of making the clean plate for the several parts. It will be very helpful, and making the clean plate in obviously this for this kind of things in Photoshop is necessity. Next, as I'm making of the chest clean plate that I have already shown, and the total footage. And if I go for the large viewer mode, in the large viewer mode you have you can see the making of the clean plate. If I show it in one, this was the one and the two, one and the two. So yes, thank you for it.